food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of Portuguese cuisine with a beloved dish called bitoque. This simple yet flavorful meal is a staple in Portuguese households and restaurants. But before we dig in, let's uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about bitoque. Bitoque is a traditional Portuguese dish consisting of a tender beef steak, topped with a fried egg, and served with a side of crispy fries, rice, and salad. It's a comforting and hearty meal that showcases the simplicity and richness of Portuguese flavors. The origins of bitoque are somewhat mysterious, but it's believed to have originated in the early 20th century. This dish quickly became popular due to its affordability and the availability of its ingredients. In fact, bitoque was often served in taverns and small eateries, making it a favorite among working-class people. This highlights the influence of French cuisine on Portuguese culinary traditions, especially during the 19th and early 20th centuries. One of the unique aspects of bitoque is its combination of ingredients. The pairing of a succulent steak with a perfectly fried egg, accompanied by fries and rice, may seem unusual, but it creates a balanced and satisfying meal that's loved by many. Bitoque is so popular in Portugal that you'll find it on the menu of almost every traditional Portuguese restaurant, from casual diners to fine dining establishments. It's a go-to dish for many locals, offering a taste of home and comfort. Did you know that the sauce served with bitoque, often a garlic or mustard-based sauce, varies greatly depending on the region and even the restaurant? Each place has its own secret recipe, adding a unique twist to this classic dish. The type of beef used in bitoque can also differ. While some prefer a tenderloin or sirloin, others opt for more affordable cuts like flank or skirt steak. The key is to cook the beef to perfection, ensuring it's juicy and flavorful. Interestingly, despite its hearty nature, bitoque can be a balanced meal. The combination of protein from the steak and egg, carbohydrates from the fries and rice, and vitamins from the salad makes it a well-rounded dish. Bitoque was particularly popular among Portuguese soldiers during the 20th century. Its simplicity and nutritional value made it an ideal meal for those in the military, providing the necessary energy and comfort. In Portugal, it's common to enjoy bitoque with a glass of red wine or a cold beer. The robust flavors of the dish pair perfectly with these beverages, enhancing the overall dining experience. Bitoque is not just a lunch or dinner dish. In some regions of Portugal, it's also enjoyed as a hearty breakfast, giving people a strong start to their day with a protein-packed meal. Some chefs add a touch of brandy or wine to the sauce for bitoque, giving it a rich depth of flavor. This small addition can transform the dish, making it even more delightful. While fries are the most common side dish for bitoque, in some regions, it's served with roasted potatoes or even mashed potatoes. This variation depends on local preferences and traditions. Bitoque is a beloved dish during family gatherings and celebrations. Its simplicity and deliciousness make it a crowd pleaser, often bringing people together around the dinner table. Another interesting fact is the method of cooking the steak for bitoque. While grilling is common, some prefer to pan-fry the steak in olive oil and garlic. infusing it with a rich, savory flavor. Now, let's see how you can make this delicious dish at home. Start with a good quality beef steak. Season it with salt and pepper, and cook it to your desired doneness. While the steak rests, fry an egg sunny side up. Serve the steak topped with the egg, alongside crispy fries, a serving of rice, and a fresh salad. Drizzle with a homemade garlic or mustard sauce, and you're ready to enjoy. Bitoque is more than just a meal, it's a taste of Portuguese tradition and hospitality. Whether you're looking for comfort food or exploring new culinary horizons, this dish is sure to satisfy. So why not give it a try and experience the flavors of Portugal right in your own kitchen? It became popular because it was a quick, affordable, and hearty meal that provided enough energy for labor-intensive jobs. The recipe for bitoque has been passed down through generations, with each family adding their own unique twist. Some families might add a special marinade for the steak or a secret ingredient to the sauce. Interestingly, bitoque is one of the first dishes taught in Portuguese culinary schools. Its simplicity and focus on fundamental cooking techniques make it an ideal starting point for budding chefs. For example, in the north, you might find it served with a richer, thicker sauce, while in the south, the sauce is lighter and more tangy. During the mid-20th century, bitoque became a symbol of Portuguese identity and resilience. Amidst political and economic changes, this dish remained a constant, representing the strength and simplicity of Portuguese culture. Many traditional bitoque recipes emphasize using local ingredients. From the beef to the potatoes and the fresh eggs, sourcing locally is a key part of the dish's authenticity and flavor. Bitoque is often served as a prato do dia, or dish of the day, in many Portuguese restaurants. This daily special draws regular customers who crave the familiar taste and hearty satisfaction of a well-made bitoque. In some Portuguese households, bitoque is considered a celebratory dish. It's often prepared for family gatherings and special occasions, symbolizing unity and comfort. Enjoying bitoque is often accompanied by fado, traditional Portuguese music. The soulful tunes of fado enhance the dining experience, creating a rich cultural ambiance. The beef used in bitoque is often sourced from Alentejo or Minho regions, known for their high-quality cattle. The specific breed and diet of the cattle contribute to the unique flavor profile of the dish. Some versions of bitoque feature a garlic and wine marinade for the steak, a technique passed down through generations to enhance the meat's tenderness and flavor. In urban areas like Lisbon and Porto, bitoque has evolved into a popular fast food option, available in modern eateries and food trucks, catering to both locals and tourists. Some chefs prefer to use clarified butter instead of oil to cook the steak and fry the egg. This technique adds a richer flavor and prevents the butter from burning at high temperatures. Bitoque is also celebrated in food festivals across Portugal, where chefs compete to create the best version of the dish, showcasing their culinary skills and creativity. The simplicity of bitoque makes it a versatile dish that can be adapted to various dietary preferences. For instance, some modern versions replace the beef with chicken or even tofu for a vegetarian option. The sauce used in bitoque can range from a simple pan sauce made from the steak drippings to a more complex mustard and wine reduction, depending on the cook's preference. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food stories. Let us know in the comments if you've tried bitoque or if there's another dish you'd like us to explore.